EcoFlow battery just arrived today from Amazon. EcoFlow Smart Extra Battery Pro. This is a unit that we already have, so we're getting a second one so we can do less power switches, more batteries, more power without having to use the gas generator. Is there any power on it? Oh yeah. 29%, so are you wanting to hook it up tonight? Well, it's now Friday morning, and we actually did use the battery last night. It worked like a champ, as it should. We're good. We're charging them back up. The newest one is almost there.